7 Ways a Professional Organizer Will Transform Your Life. When people hear the words professional organizer, it's common for the next question to be, so what do you actually do? Not to be confused with a cleaner or someone who just tidies up, organizers are highly skilled professionals. As well as transforming chaotic homes, many of them have backgrounds in interior design, visual merchandising, or psychology. A professional organizer doesn't just come into your space and take over with a predetermined set of rules for organizing a room. Their approach is collaborative, and they work closely with you to truly understand how you want your home to feel and function. So, they ask a lot of questions, and rather than just organizing your belongings, they help you create an entirely new environment and a new way of living in your home. Alongside talking to you about your space, they can also consult on your productivity. They have the experience and know how to identify the deeper reason you might be feeling so disorganized in the first place, and help you find the best solutions. They help you decide what you really want. Any professional organizer knows that taking the time to truly understand their client is fundamental to the home organization process. An organizer will want to know what you really want from your home. How do you want to live in it? How do you want to feel when you're spending time in it? The answers to these questions provide them with the vital information they need to meet your needs and lay the foundation for a transformative result. They'll carefully listen to what your natural tendencies are. Habits that you have become accustomed to might have become dysfunctional without you realizing them. Beginning the process by spending time with you and really getting to know you, they help create solutions that will allow you to manage and maintain organization over the long term. They create space. A pro organizer can help you edit the items you no longer want in your space. Part of their job is to declutter old and unwanted belongings and create space for the things you really love. They offer their professional support for difficult decision-making, helping you effortlessly re-establish order and clarity, something that most of us are too busy or stressed to attempt alone. They are there to remove the overwhelm from this process, and will even organize rubbish removals and charity collections so you don't have to. You'll be amazed at the sense of ease and calm you're left with when returning to a more spacious, clutter-free environment. They turn chaos into order. When a professional organizer comes into a new space, they look at it with fresh eyes. They begin by taking everything out from where it's been stored, allowing them to start reorganizing completely from scratch. They utilize their experience to know what makes sense, even when you might feel that nothing does. After decluttering, they'll group items together to work out how to best create zones in your home to ensure similar items are kept together. By paring down your belongings into smaller groups, you'll always know where to find what you need. They take care of the little details. For a pro organizer, it's the little details that matter. Those extra finishing touches are what turns a good system into a truly beautiful one. Home organization might look simple, but there's a lot more to it than meets the eye. There's a reason why so many editing or organizing projects get abandoned halfway through. That's where hiring a professional comes in. They're super detailed organizing geeks who love what they do, even the jobs most people hate. An organizer will take the time to install new and functional storage solutions, create and apply labels so you know where everything is, and even color code your wardrobe or bookshelf. They are able to tackle in a matter of days what usually takes months, but with a level of beauty and style most of us don't have the motivation for. They help you reclaim your time. When your home is organized, the main gift it gives you is your precious time back. Once a professional organizer has worked with you to put everything into place, there's no more time wasted tidying up, hunting for your keys, panicking about where the kids' homework is, or trying to sort everything out for the next day. An organized space not only creates mental clarity, but the time you get back can also be better spent relaxing, spending time with your family or friends, or doing activities that bring you joy. They hand style and design your space. Working with a professional organizer goes a step further than most people realize. Not only do they walk you through a full reorganization process, but they also take the time to elevate your space to the next level through interior styling. They'll work with you to simplify and beautify your home as much as possible. By selecting new complementary storage products, or repurposing items you already have, they use all that newly created space to rearrange your items and showcase the things you really love. They'll work closely with you throughout the entire process to curate rooms you'll feel really proud of. They help you create lasting, meaningful change. Getting on top of the clutter and chaos can feel like you can finally breathe. A professional organizer not only helps you take this first step but also guides you through how to change your habits and environment in a lasting and positive way. They provide inspiration on how you can start to do things differently, offer accountability and motivation to keep going when it feels tough, and in turn boost your sense of vitality and well-being. You'll feel like you've really achieved something, and when your space is beautiful, you'll want to keep it that way. Getting started on the path to a more organized life isn't easy when you're surrounded by chaos. By handing over the task to an expert, you're putting an immediate end to procrastination and calling in the support you need to get it done. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.